So we're here at the Young Bird Show, chilling. Everybody's just enjoying themselves. Some of the winners. I believe these are the hens, right? These are hens?
Yeah.
Handicap winners.
Those are hens?
Very pretty bird. Very pretty bird. I'll be taking some more videos later.
You gotta shake it. I got one more Brazil here.
Nice carrier. 7. But these are for sale. Some of these are for sale, I think. But these are the show. The Danes are ready. Let's finish with the Danes. Got some more young Canadians back there.
Oh, you know what? I'm sorry.
I believe these are for the show. I'm not sure if he's selling these or these are for the show. Very beautiful birds here. Very beautiful. I mean, very nice. Every single one of them is nicer than the other. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Come on, man. Take some.
I got to get rid of some. I was bringing 4 here to give to Louie, and I checked them up. They already went home.
Have whatever you want. Take as many as you want, Papa.
I wish I had fucking space. I would take all those duns. I love duns.